Hey everyone, Jessa here, back again with another day in my life. I'm so excited to bring you along with me. If you are new here, welcome, and if you haven't done so, hit that like and that subscribe button
down below.
And I would really appreciate it if you do so. I was actually fortunate enough to attend a training and it was completely sold out. There was 4 students because of COVID. It was a very small group training. It specializes in shaping, tinting, and also brow lamination from Perfection Laboratory. Somewhere here or here, I'm gonna be putting the Instagram of Perfection Laboratory, and you guys can check her out. Her location is on Yonge Street in Toronto. So definitely, whenever she has a training, I highly recommend you do take the time and book it if you're from Toronto. It's an upcoming trend. Basically, it started 3 years ago in Europe, and it just has that, Bella Hadid look, I like to say. So when the brows are all flared up, I don't know if you guys remember the trend where people are using soap and a brush and they brush up the little hairs in order to achieve that look. So that procedure takes about 20 minutes. That includes the tinting and also the brow lamination, and it lasts about up to 2 months. So the tint actually starts coming out and fading after, let's say, 7 to 10 days, and the hairs are laminated up and a lot more synchronized, I like to say, for as long as the cycle of the brow hairs, because it's the same as your lashes. They do fall out, and a new one grows underneath, and obviously the new one will be a more natural growing cycle. So you will still have your laminated hairs that are up, and then the new ones who grow will be naturally growing. So the lamination actually starts going away after about 4 to 8 weeks. So you have to continuously come back and redo the whole process. But again, it's really short. In Toronto, we charge about $75 for brow, shape, and tint. Just brow lamination on its own, we're probably going to be charging about $55. In the month of October, we're actually going to launch a promotion for brow lamination, shape, and tint, maybe along with the lash set. But anyways, I don't want to bore you guys. Let's get into the video because it's super exciting. Let's go.
So you'll get an idea how and process it for like 5-7 minutes, and then you wipe it off and you'll see approximately what shade it is of each of that, right? So at least you'll get an idea.
But like the shade doesn't change if you put it on someone else's.
Normally
No, it
no,
should be
unless like it can be different on the hairs itself, but on the skin, no, it won't be. On the hairs, it just made different because her hairs are naturally dark, really dark. So there is not much we can I can technically, the only thing I can change the color is to tint it black, but I don't want to. So the tint will only show on the skin in her case. It won't really change the color of the.
She's gonna give her like a full.
Yeah. Sometimes, though, the brow lamination solutions, just because the way they process the hair, it might get a little lighter, so more into the orangey brassy color, the brows itself after the lamination. So in that case, the tint will fix that. But in most cases, in her case, I would normally even.
I just want to talk about brow lamination and what it is. Brow lamination is a keratin treatment that sleeks the hairs up in a desired direction and shape, allowing the brows to appear fuller and thicker. This service is recommended for those with thin, unruly, and rigid brow hairs.
just did my eyebrows, brow lamination, first time by Jessa.
Yeah. How do you feel?
I feel good. It looks so nice.
Did it hurt?
No, not at all. It tickled.
Woo! It's so nice.
It is. It's good.
Okay, see you on our next vlog. I really hope you guys all enjoyed that today. I really had a fun day, really adventurous, and we ended up doing a lot of stuff afterwards, like grabbing stuff from around the area. Like we hit up a Dollarama, and then we went into a mini so just so that we can grab a few more of cotton swabs and all that stuff that we needed for the studio. I just wanted to end the video and show you guys what was inside my kit that I got. Unfortunately, she didn't put in tint, so we're gonna go into our supplier and we're gonna go and grab some tint that we can use. So I want to start with the solution. So I don't know if you guys can see that there. It has the step 1, which is the perming solution, and then the fixation solution afterwards. This is good for about 25 clients, even though it's such a small bottle. And then we got, this is the same one I use for my ombre brows. It's just saran wrap. And then I got a little tweezer, so that's really cute. This is also what we use at the studio already. We have some spoolies and some lipstick swabs. And also we got the castor oil that we put afterwards because it could get really dry and irritated on the skin. So right after we put the argan oil or castor oil, and she gave us some shaping stickers just like what I used for ombre brows, and white pencil. So this is the same one I have at the studio as well. So similar products. I wish it came with the tint because we did learn brow lamination with shape and tint. So I didn't understand why there was no tint in the kit, but I guess it is what it is. We're gonna go ahead and grab that. It's not a problem. Probably tomorrow. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the rest of your day. I'm gonna go ahead and head out. And good night. See you soon.